Hey, what's up, everybody? Yeah, we're headed to Ship Island, doing a shakedown on this boat. We already had to replace a part this morning, but we're good now.
Yo, look at all that damn fog. It's like driving through pea soup. You see the sun trying to come out there, but it ain't going to. We got plenty of room, we got plenty of ice, we got plenty of bait. We're gonna catch some damn fish. We're gonna fill them freezers up. We're gonna do a hell of a catch, clean, and cook. Maybe even several of them off of this trip. You guys stay tuned, stick with us, because it's time for Come On Big Fish. Well, we just got here. I dropped down just to test the waters and caught a fish right off the bat, so I figured I'd break out the camera and show you a little bit, see what we can come up with. We'll get another one for you. It's foggy as hell out, but the islands sure are pretty. Got him. Gonna be a small one, but it's okay. Oh, we got wrapped. Anyway, that's what we're after, but we want it to be a little bit bigger, or actually a lot bigger. So we're gonna sit here and goof off. He pissed all over me, didn't he? You dirty little bastard. That's a kinky fish. Y'all see him pee on me? He likes some saltwater showers. But there you go. Small sheephead, good eating, but can't keep him because he's too small. Pretty fish, man. Enjoy the hell out of catching them. They're great. Grow up, kiddo. We'll see you on the next one. Real simple rig, just 2 split shots. We got a what is this? 1/0? I think it's a 1/0 octopus, or you can do a circle hook or whatever. It doesn't matter. All works the same way. So we're gonna get back at them, and hopefully I'll bring you something here in a little bit when we got something big enough to throw in the cooler.
He is not legal.
No, he ain't illegal, unfortunately, but still fun to catch. That feels like it might be a keeper.
I'm gonna wait on that.
Ooh, I got him in the eye. No, I got him in the eye, dude.
You want to? You want to?
Oh, I got him. I don't think he's gonna keep. Nah, it wouldn't hurt, just in case. I don't think this one's gonna keep. Got him that time. I think that's a keeper. Trying to be sneaky. Oh. What y'all think? I don't know if he's gonna make it or not. I think he's gonna be a little too small, just shy. But we'll see here in just a second. Let's get him out of this hook. Watch them toofers. Well, alright, hook's out. Let's see if it'll have 14. I don't think so. It looks like he's gonna be 13 3/4 if I pinch his tail. I'll pinch his tail, I'll show you. Yep, 13 3/4. Grow up, kiddo. We'll catch another one. I think I got it. This might be a keeper. I don't think so. Never know. We'll see. Let's bring her overboard. Nope. I think it's going to be about the same size as the last one. Matter of fact, we'll go ahead and measure it for you and get the hook out. Alright. Let's see here. Just cover it, dude. Nope. 12 and a half. Gotta be 14 inches here in Mississippi, which is a damn shame. But who are we to argue with our illustrious leaders? Leaders. These guys are supposed to be working for us, but they're not. They don't work for the people. They work for their own damn pocket. That's a fucking crooks. Anyway, enough on that subject. If I can get another one, I'm almost certain I can. Typical. Right about the time I turn the camera on, they ain't gonna bite no more. I'll get one here in just a second. Oh, almost had him. Gotta be little ones just playing with it. There's got to be a big one down there though. Where's he at? Come on. Come on, big fish. Come on, big fish. Daddy needs some meat in the freezer. Big fish. There's a little bite. There's a bite. There, they got it. They got it. Oh, we ain't got it. It's alright though. We'll get him in a second. There you go. Playing with it. Playing with it. Playing with it. Playing with it. Oh, we got it. Oh, we got it that time. It's a small one. Oh, but they're fun to catch. Yep. Alright, there you go. Bunch of little baby sheephead. But he's gonna be too small. Oh, it's a good fight though. He's barely legal. You know, them barely legal ones sure do taste good, but gotta make sure they're legal though. Pretty fish, a lot of fun to catch. Fight damn near like a brim, but they bite like a white perch. Well, they bite like a real shy white perch. And they got hellacious teeth. It's hard as hell to get the hook out of them, but anyway. There you go. I think I might have a keeper here. I'll try to keep him out of all this crud here. Oh. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. That is a keeper. I have to grab the net. I got his ass that time. That's right. Come on, buddy. You are going in the box. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We got meat in the box. Took a little while. Went through a little bit of bait, but we got meat. That is definitely a keeper. Boys and girls, there is the one we were after. Got some meat. Gonna put them in the box and get back after it. Catch some more. Come on, big fish. I got another one. He's fighting hard, but I don't think he's legal. He's not. Oh, he's not. Yeah, let's let this little rascal go. Get on him and catch us a bigger one. Come on, open up. They are stubborn. Well, down here in Mississippi, we all got cousins that look like that, don't we? I don't know if that's the meth or it's the inbreeding, but, well, probably a combination of both. Ah! And they do the same thing, too. All they do is wiggle. And fucked around and caught a redfish.
I mean, a good one, too.
Yep. Perfect size. I did not see any of them. I didn't even see him, to be honest with you.
Oh, dude up there was hung on one right at the same time.
Doubled up. Got him.
Booyaka.
Meat. Kenny got him a good one. I gotta grab the net. I gotta grab it. Oh no.
Just watched him go away.
Yep. Damn. I hate it when that happens.
Damn.
That's alright, dude. We got a cooler full of fish. I ain't worried about it. Alright, y'all. We've been catching the absolute hell out of some sheephead here. Are you ready for the gratuitous cooler shot? Oh, big ice bag. Okay. Let's move that out of the way. Oh, there we go. We have got our 2-man limit of sheephead. 30 fish. Actually, you know what? We might be kind of shy. I need to go catch some more. I gotta admit, this is what it's all about. Really, what it's all about. A few times in life where you get to get out and enjoy it, be at peace. It's what's worth living for, man. It really is. If you're down, beating yourself up over things you did in the past, or things that happened to you in the past, just let go. Let it all go. Because this, right now, is what it's all about. Feel the sun on your face, the fresh air in your lungs. Breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing gonna be all right. All right, guys. So I just did a count. Plenty of fish in there, as you can see, but we are 10 shy of our limit. So we're gonna turn it on, kick some ass, fill that cooler up right quick. Alright guys, hope you can see this. We were trying to get the last few sheephead to get our 2-man limit, but we ended up catching this gorgeous redfish instead. Check out that spot. One big old dot. He's gonna be real nice on the half shell on the grill. Come on, big fish. I got a color. I got a big red dancing around these damn pilings. And he's going to the outside of that one. Trying to hold it. Oh, I brought him in. Oh shit. That could have been ugly. That's all right though. We got him. We got him. No sir. You don't get to play that role. No. No. All right, now we got him in the hole. There he is. That's all right. There he is. Boom! Got his ass. That is my limited redfish for the day, boys and girls. And that is an absolute stud. Y'all see it? Hope you can. Because that is going on the barbecue grill. Yep. Kenny got wrapped up in the line. All right, clear. Clear. Hell yeah. All right. That is a stud of a redfish. Here we are chasing the last 9 sheephead, and we are catching some stud reds. You never know what's gonna happen, what it's gonna do, because this is South Mississippi living at its finest. I got one of my bestest friends from Big Fish and Plenty of Bait, a great boat. Oh yeah, we are kicking some serious ass tonight, boys and girls. Hoorah! Come on, Big Fish. All right, guys, I got all the fish cleaned and put up, except for these two, some redfish and a half shell. Just put some voodoo seasoning on it, drizzle some lemon juice on it. As usual, when I'm cleaning fish, I cut my damn finger again. I'm gonna go get that doctored up and be back with the taste test.
Okay.
I got it on camera. I got it on camera.
Okay.
Damn coaster. All right.
Yeah.
This is what we all work for. Moment of truth. Sorry, Bubba's over there slurping up a bunch of water.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, let's get a bite of this here redfish.
I think we've had this in a long time.
It's been a minute.
Oh, good.
I think I overcooked it a little bit.
Mm.
But it's still good.
It is really good.
Voodoo season, lemon juice,
Butter.
and as it cooked, I took some lemon juice and some butter, melted the butter down, mixed it all up, and kind of poured that on a couple of times as it was cooking. Whenever it flakes, those places, that's where you pour the butter down. But yeah, I can definitely say that'll make your babies be born naked.
That's really good.
So, if you haven't already, like and subscribe. Be a lot more content coming up now that the weather is starting to kind of act right. Stay tuned. Come on, Big Fish.